Good evening everyone. Good evening Madhusmita, Selva, Renuka. Let's wait for everyone to join in and then we'll begin with our class, okay? So today we are going to discuss few more questions of the June 2022 examination. That's a very good thing that you all are on time. So let's wait for others to join and then we'll begin with the class, okay? I hope these sessions are helping you out, right? And if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Good evening Jigisha. Make sure you hit the subscribe button everyone. Let's hit 11k very soon. We are very near to this number. Let's hit this number soon. Also download our application. Download our application from both the iOS as well as from the Android. In addition, we have our own website. You can go to Google, write down botanyinsider.com and you'll be able to explore our website as well, okay? So this is about the introduction. Good evening everyone, Sayanti, Mayank. So talking about the live courses running, so for the June 2023 the examination is very near. Make sure that you all are preparing, make sure that you all are actively participating in all the classes. We have a previous year practice question session going on in the early morning 8:30 to 10. So those of you who wish to join in the early sessions, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled in this. Every day we are doing the questions in the best depth manner. So those of you who wish to, you can download and enroll in the same. In addition, we have crash courses also running. So today itself we have started off with the second cycle of revision. Those of you who wish to join in the crash course, you can join in with extra discount offer, right? It's a 1 month cycle for the revision. So 1 month is left for your examination. Join in and make your preparation stronger, okay? This is the very first question for you all. It's a very interesting and a very easy question. Question is saying any movie which features dinosaurs should also have which of the following combinations of the geological age appropriate organisms. Choose the correct combination. 4 options in front of you. Take your time, read the question carefully and then mark the answer in the chat section. It's a simple, different question, but it was a part B question in the CSIR NET 2022 examination question. Give it a try and mark the answer in the chat section everyone. And tomorrow I am thinking to revise all the questions that we have discussed in the previous 6 classes, right? We have done more than 45 questions. So I'm thinking let's do all the questions in tomorrow's class so that we can revise all the questions also. Good evening Pinky, right? So you all just let me know after the class, should we revise tomorrow? Because in addition to doing the question, it is also important for us to revise the questions also, right? So I'm thinking let's revise all the questions tomorrow. And from Monday onwards, we can have one more year paper, like maybe 2021 or 20, whichever paper. I'll take one and we'll have again 1 week of questions. Or the topics, even if you wish to have topics, you can let me know, right? Everyone mark the answer for this. Some of you are marking the answer as B, some of you are marking the answer as D. Read it properly, mark the answer. 12 students are there in the class, very good number. First option is saying humans, angiosperms, gymnosperms and birds. Second option is saying early diverging angiosperms, amphibians and reptiles. Third option, apes, gymnosperms and birds. Fourth option, early diverging gymnosperms, amphibians and the reptiles, okay? Everyone mark the answer. Question is like some of you are marking the answer as B or D. So it's an equal percentage of students. 14 students in the class. Everyone participate. And if you're joining new to our sessions, make sure you hit the subscribe button also. Done, everyone? Okay, let's see the answer for this particular question now. Yeah, so let's see the answer for this particular question. The answer for this particular question is option number B, that is early diverging angiosperms, reptiles and the amphibians is the correct answer for this particular question. So those of you who have given the answer for this particular question as option number B, your answer is correct. Others, I hope you are you will check out your mistake and get the mistake clarified, right? Next question. Now this particular question is from the ABC model of flower development. I have taken up this particular question so many times in the live classes, in the full course, in the crash course, in the marathon class. So I'm expecting each one of you to mark the correct answer for this. Question is saying which of the following floral mutant shows the pattern of sepal, petal, petal repeated several times. You need to find out of the 4 genes given to you which of the gene is mutated if this is the pattern shown to you. Take your time, everyone, mark the answer, recall every single thing which you can recall regarding the ABC model and then mark the answer. Okay, 11 students in the class, everyone mark the answer for this question. It's a very important and a very easy question, okay, and it is June 2022. So part B, 2 marker question this one is. So you can see easily you can score 2 marks from this. अगर ABC model अच्छे से आपने पढ़ा है, so you won't find any difficulty in solving this. So there are 4 worlds, everyone mark the answer. Till then let me write down the information. So there are 4 worlds: sepal, then you have petal, then you have stamens, and then you have carpels, right? There are 3 classes of gene, class A, class B and class C, right? In the sepals you require class A gene, in petal class A plus B, class B plus C and class C. Class A gene involves epitala 1 and epitala 2. This is class A gene. And then class B gene involves epitala 3 and pistillata. Class C involves your agamus, right? So class A gene, AP1, AP2, B and A, both of them are required for the petals. So you need AP3 plus pistillata, then you require pistillata plus agamus, and then you require over here only agamus. It is saying we are having sepals, petals, then petals are getting repeated, and then you have the same sequence repeating in the similar manner. So the next word would be obviously sepal. That means what can we observe? Option like we are having mutation in class C gene, right? And class C gene is what? Class C gene is agamus. So the answer for this particular question is option number A. Question is, the pericytes are found in which of the following? Myelin sheath, surrounding coat of a skeletal muscle fiber, blood capillary wall, lymph capillary wall. Everyone mark the answer for this. Take your time, read it properly, mark the answer. It's very easy and I have repeated this question so many times. So I'm expecting for you to mark the correct answer only. Try to recall. No idea. Renuka, you have not seen the previous questions, I guess, right? Done, everyone? Quickly mark the answer for this. I was expecting many of you to mark the answer for this. I have taken this question, I guess, 3 to 4 times. Let's check. Answer is option number C, blood capillary wall. I have taken it so many times. Remember this. Pericytes are found in the blood capillary wall. Okay, remember about this. Next question. Which of the following small molecule neurotransmitter is not synthesized from tyrosine? Question is, which of the following small molecule neurotransmitter is not synthesized from the tyrosine? 4 options in front of you. Mark the answer for this particular question, everyone. Very easy question again. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone, mark the answer for this particular question. Okay, let's see. The answer for this particular question is yes, serotonin. Serotonin is the small molecule neurotransmitter that is not synthesized from the tyrosine. It is again a factual question. So make sure that you remember about this, right? Next question, it is related to your glutes. So the question is, absorbed monosaccharides in the intestinal epithelial cells exit. Yes, it is synthesized from the tryptophan. So absorbed monosaccharides in the intestinal epithelial cells exit via which of the following transporters? Very important, very easy question. Mark the answer for this question, everyone. It is asking absorbed monosaccharides. So it is talking about glucose, right? Mark the answer for this. Okay, some of you are marking the answer D, some are marking the answer A. Read it properly, then only mark it. Try recalling. Okay, okay. Let's see. Answer is option number A, GLUT2. GLUT2 is synthesized, it is transported via, or it is transporting the monosaccharides. Very, very easy thing. It's a very factual and a basic thing to remember. Okay. So now after the class, those of you who have got the answer incorrect, write down all the 4 glutes and write down which of them helps in which of the transportation, so that you can recall about the same. Okay. Next question. Now this particular question is a part, this particular question is a part C question, and this particular question is from unit number, sorry, it is from June 2021. Okay, but I found this question very, very interesting. Mark the answer for this particular question, everyone. Selva, let me check if you are writing that liver GLUT2, but still let me check it, because I have cross verified also. Still, if you are having any problem in this, let me check. Everyone, mark the answer for this particular question. It's a simple one. If you understand this, you'll be easily able to mark the answer. Selva, the answer for the previous question is option number A itself, that is GLUT2. I have cross verified also. Okay, so I've taken up a paper from Science Direct. I've read it from there. Yes, it is transporting GLUT number 2 itself. Okay. Everyone mark the answer for this particular question. Okay, majority of you are marking the answer as option number C, that is this one. Let's look into this particular question. The question is saying that the graph given below shows the possible behavior of the two species over the course of succession, right? First, second and the third one. You need to find the possible effect observed during the succession arc. See, even if you do not have any knowledge about what succession is, what these graphs are depicting, you can still mark the answer just by observing and analyzing these graphs. Okay, in the first one, as in when one of the species is declining, the second one is getting stabilized. What does this mean? That means there is occurring sequential succession. One gets degraded, other gets settled down. So A gets marked with the third one, right? So you can get answer either as C or as D. You can eliminate A and B. Then in the second one, both the species are converging at a specific point. That means it is showing what? It is showing your convergence. So B gets marked with the second one. So B with 2. Easy. I have not taken up any theory thing or any prior knowledge, right? I am just using whatever is shown. I am just trying to correlate it with the options. Third option is one of them is getting totally suppressed and then the third one is getting exponentially increased. So it is total suppression. C gets marked with the first one. So answer is option number 3. Those of you who have marked the answer as C, very good, excellent. Your answer is correct, right? And those of you who have marked the answer incorrect, I hope you have understood the main fundamental concept behind the same. Okay, remember about this, everyone. Next question. The black buck has been traditionally protected by which of the following communities? 4 options in front of you. Mark the answer, everyone. Take your time, read it properly, mark the answers. Okay, very good, everyone. Mark the answer for this question. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as C, some as A. 8 students are there in the class. Everyone, mark the answer for this question. Okay, let's see. Answer is option number C, that is Bishnois. It's a very factual thing which you need to keep in mind. Okay, answer is option number C. Next question. Now this one is a general aptitude. Sayanti, it's okay, you can still keep information regarding the same. Okay, this one is a general aptitude question. Which of the following will mostly which one would be, which would precisely report the value of the speed measurement? 4 options in front of you. Read it properly, try to analyze and then mark the answer in the chat section, everyone. Okay, everyone mark the answer for this question, then we'll solve it out together. Nine students are there in the class. Question is asking you, out of these 4 options, which of them would most precisely report the value of the speed measurement? Answer for this question is option number C. This one is most precisely giving us the maximum information. See, this one is saying 125 km per second. It might be 0.1, 0.2. Same is with the second one, same is with the fourth one, but 125.00, this one is the most precise report of the speed measurement. Very simple question, very basic logic need to be applied over there. So 4 of you marked the answer correctly, very good. And those of you who have marked the answer incorrect, make sure that whenever you are going for any general aptitude question, you are going ahead with the most, like, in the base manner possible, most accuracy need to be there. Okay, answer is option number C. Next question, this one is again a general aptitude question. You need to find out of the 4 options given to you, which one would be the next image. Take your time, mark the answer for this. Observe it, analyze what pattern of things are going ahead, and then only mark it. Okay. Everyone observe it carefully and then only mark it. And these type of questions are repeatedly asked in the examination. Okay. Okay. Very good, very good. 10 students are there. 7 of you have already marked the answer, 3 left. See, observe the question carefully. What is it actually asking? It is asking us the next sequence. Answer for this is option number D. Very good, Rajesh. Only 1 student have understood what is the question actually depicting. See, first over here, then there is 1 step movement. So, second step movement over here. Then there are 2 step movement. From here, step 1, step 2. Now there would be 3 step movement. Step 1, step 2, step 3 movement. That means it would be back again here itself. So answer would be either option number B or option number D. Okay, B or D is the correct answer. Then look over here. First is straight, then it is going ahead in this manner. That means what? 45-degree angle is changing, right? After 45, 90-degree angle is changing, right? From here to here, it would be 90-degree. Then from 90, how much is changing? 45 plus 90. So it is 135. Again, after 135, how much? Add 45 again. It would be 180-degree shift. So from here, exact 180-degree shift would be what? It would be this particular angle, right? Just calculate first 45 degree, then 90, then 135, and then 180 would be there. Even if you do not understand this stepping manner, if you can just go through with the angles increasing or decreasing in what manner, and then you can mark the answer. The examiner has specifically intentionally kept option number B before option D, like they have specifically kept this figure at option number B, because the examiner know the students would be very quick in judging, and they'll quickly mark the answer as option B without even getting to see that in what pattern is the angle changing. Is it clear to everyone? Very good. Only single student, that is Rajesh, have marked the answer correct. Very good, Rajesh. Other student, is it clear to you? Yes. Is this question clear to everyone? These are very, very important, very easy questions, and just see, it won't take more than a minute for you to solve in the examination, right? If you go for the previous year questions in just with only the previous year question of the general aptitude specifically, I'm telling you, you can yes Renuka, I'll take a strategy class for CSIR NET, do not worry. I have planned up a lot of things, do not worry for that, okay? I am maybe next Saturday or in May month we'll have it, so do not worry about it, and we'll have that on our application, right? So you all have to download the application to join in that class. Can you explain once more? Sure, Shana. See, let me clear the screen. Yeah, Sahana, see, this is the first arrow, right? Then you have 45-degree angle. From this angle to this angle, this is 45, right? So 45 degrees coming, clear? After 45, exact 90-degree angle is shifting, that means addition of 45. After 90, then the next arrow is in this direction. In this direction, calculate 45 is this, 90 is this, so this is 135, that means again 45-degree change. Now after 135, how much change would be there? Again addition of 45-degree, so 135 plus 45 is how much? Calculate, it is 180. So 180 change from this particular direction will be in this direction, exact opposite, right? So if you observe it just with the help of the arrows, you can reach to the answer as option D, because only in one of the option. Now okay, answer could be option number A or D from this particular angle thing. Then look over here at this point, there first the angle is over here, then the plus is over here. From this point there is only one shift, like one jump is there. Over here there are two jumps. Over here there is one jump. Over here there are two jump. From this to this, 2 to 4 jumps are there. Like see, from here 1, 2, 3. We are reaching to here. Then there would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again the angle, the plus would be here itself. So 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. Next the plus would go in the 4th jump. Okay, it would be in the same position. Shana, is it clear to you? Answer is option number D. I guess your doubt is clear now, right? Yes Renuka, I'll make videos also, and we'll have live classes also regarding how to deal with part B, part C, part A, and also a complete strategy. Wait for those classes, okay? Every day I'm taking up these marathon classes. Please make sure that you all are joining in, and if you wish to have very structured course with us, we have a crash course and a PYQ session course running for you all, and it's in very, very affordable prices. Like I've kept the price very, very minimal for you all, okay? So the practice session is just for 555, and if you are from the marathon class, you can again have a discount of marathon, like you can use the coupon code marathon10 and get extra 10% off. Okay, so you can have it in very, very minimal prices, and we are having so many classes, so I don't think this should be a problem for you, right? You can download the app and get yourself enrolled in this. Early morning every day we are having 1.5 hour class, those of you who wish to join, you can join in there. And we also started with our second cycle of revision from today itself in the 6 to 7:30 p.m. class. So if you can join, if you want, you can join in that particular classes also. Okay, all the best everyone. Bye.